right? See, yesterday we have discussed that relational operators, and just for understandability's sake, I have explained one conditional statement called if-else block. Today, exactly how to use conditional control statements, or simply to say conditional statements, which are if block, if-else block, if-else if block, and nested if block. All the four. Okay, with relational operators. Then same if block, if-else, if-else if, and nested if. How to write using logical operators also, I'll explain. Now, first of all, when to use exactly if block. Because we know that a block of statements execute only when the given condition is valid. Execute a block of statements only if the given condition is valid. If the given condition is valid. How can we do this one? Here it is. I'm just writing in a ideally. Here it is. I'm just opening, or here it is, file, new file. Then editor will open. Editor. Now I'm writing the code. I'm writing the code. First one, just to understand the if block, if I'm writing condition is true. Condition is true. Directly I have written condition is true condition. Enter. Here it is the three statements I am writing. Hi, hello, welcome. Hi, hello, welcome. Just three statements I have written. Remember, three statements should be with a tab space. This is called indentation in Python. Indentation. Here we need to specify this colon. This condition you can put it in a parenthesis. Run. But before run, just save. Just save. Shortcut is a Control S. On desktop, we have created already Python practice folder. Simply conditions.py. I have written like this. Conditions.py. When you are executing the code, look at the output. As we have given that condition is a valid condition, valid, output came. Output. Next one, suppose, sir, if the condition is invalid. If the condition is invalid, that is also you have to try. This is the first code. Second code is, sir, in place of this true, I'm just specifying the false. Now run the code. Look at the output. Output is a blank. As condition fails, so the block of instructions will not execute. Block of instructions will not execute. No output will come. No output. But look at this. One more code I'll show you. One more code I'll show you. Here, no output. No output here. That I need to mention. No output. But look at this. Look at this. Sir, this statement I'm writing outside. You got the point? Only these two statements belongs to if block. Okay. And for this statement, there is no condition. There is no condition for this statement. If false. If false. Condition true or false? False. Then if block will not execute. Means only these two statements will not execute. Okay. When you run, That free form statement welcome is there, na? That welcome is printing happily. Welcome is printing. So if the condition fail, only if block will not execute. Remaining will execute. Remaining. So in this one, here you can see the output is hi, hello, welcome. I'm just writing simply like this. But here you see the output is only welcome. Only welcome is the output here. That is the one. Okay. Now the next one is, sir, exactly where we are using the if block. I'm writing codes like this. Just print bill amount. Print bill amount. I want to read the bill amount, sir, using input function. Here it is, print enter bill amount. Enter bill amount. How much? Sir, using input function we are reading. Bill amount is a decimal, so if it is integer, you convert into integer. If it is decimal, you just convert into decimal. Decimal means float that you are taking into a variable called bill. Variable called bill. And just print that one. Print pay. Pay that amount. Bill amount, you please pay. Simple code. Simple code. What is output? See, if the bill amount is, if the bill amount is 3,000 rupees. If the bill amount is 3,000, sorry. If the bill amount is 3,000 rupees, pay 3,000 rupees. If the bill amount is 8,000 rupees, pay 8,000 rupees. So what is the output? How output comes? How output comes? If bill amount is 3,000 rupees, then output will come pay 3,000 rupees. If the bill amount is 8,000 rupees, 8,000 pay 8,000 rupees. Got the output? Pay 8,000 rupees because whatever the bill amount that you have to pay. That is this code. Is the code. Next one, why I explain this code? Exactly, we need to understand what is if block. What is if block? Suppose the next code is give 20% discount on bill. Give 20% discount on bill. Every bill. On every bill. Okay. So first we ask enter bill amount. Okay. After entering the bill amount, we have collected the bill amount. Then we need to find the discount. 20% means what? 20 by 100 or simply to say 0.20. 20% of bill amount you have to calculate as a discount. Discount is equals to 0.20 into bill. That discount you need to deduct from the bill. From the bill, deduct that discount and store into that bill. Bill equals to bill minus discount. Bill equals to bill minus discount. Okay, see how this code gets executed. Enter bill amount, suppose 3,000 rupees. What will happen if bill amount is 3,000 rupees? Okay, 3,000 minus 20% means what? 600 rupees. So 3,000 minus 600 rupees, you have to pay 2,400 only. No need to pay 3,000, just 2,400. Another customer came. Another customer. Bill amount is 8,000 rupees. Okay. 8,000 rupees means what? 1,600 rupees deductions. You have to pay 6,400 rupees only. You have to pay 6,400 rupees. 20% discount to every customer. So one customer bill amount is 3,000. So the customer has to pay 2,400. Next customer bill amount is 8,000. So they have to pay 6,400 rupees. 6,400 rupees. This is also okay. Still, we are not using if block statement. Still, we are not using if block statement. This is a 20% bill. 20% bill amount. Now in the final story, our concept will come. What is that? Give 20% discount on minimum bill is 5,000 rupees. Don't give 20% discount to everyone. Don't give 20% discount on every bill. On minimum bill is a 5,000 rupees. Minimum bill 5,000 rupees. That is. Then this discount and deduction, you need to write with condition if the bill amount is greater than or equals to 5,000. Greater than or equal to 5,000, right? Then only you calculate the discount and deduct from the bill. So first person 3,000 rupees consider. 3,000 rupees greater than or equals to 5,000, condition fail. So this if block will not execute. Right? It is giving that message is a pay 3,000 rupees. See, if bill amount is 3,000, you have to pay 3,000 because no discount for you. No discount for you. Suppose if bill amount is 8,000 rupees. Yes, you have discount because 8,000 is greater than or equals to 5,000. 8,000 is greater than or equals to 5,000. Yes, you have. Hope you got the point, right? So this is exactly where we use if block in real time. On particular condition, if you want to give deduction or if you want to apply condition, then we can go with this one. Try to understand if block perfectly with the help of these 6 conditions. Okay, try one by one, execute the code. Just drop the codes in the chat box. Please don't sit idle. Please practice. Do it. Then I'll go with if else block. So before going to start if else block, let me explain logical operators. So what are the logical operators and where we use? There are 3 logical operators are there. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Here directly words we are using and or not. For logical and operator, all conditions should be valid. All conditions should be valid. For or operator, at least one condition should be valid. At least one condition. Logical not operator means what? If it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true, like this. Three logical operators are there. I'll show you the situations, then you will understand clearly what exactly logical operators are. First one, sir, when we use logical AND operator, consider how can you check the number is divisible by 3, right? With our relational operators knowledge, simply we can write n mod 3 equals to 0. N mod 3 equals to 0. How can we check the number is not divisible by 5? Not divisible by 5. Then simply n mod 5 is not equals to 0. It is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 5. Then here, now we need to write the condition. At a time, check the number is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. At a time, check the number is divisible by 3 and the number is not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5. At a time, we need to check. So when two conditions are true, then only it will return the true value. That is. And suppose, how can we check the person can vote? Vote means what? Based on age, 18 plus. So simply you will write age greater than or equals to 18. But suppose, check the person can donate blood. For that, age should be between, they have given that message is a age between 18 to 55. These people only allowed. Then suppose if you write age is greater than or equals to 18, okay, from 18, okay, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68 also come, 78, 90, 100, everything come. But here we need to consider this one also. So, and that age is less than or equals to 55. Less than or equals to 55, that is. Okay, this is in between. In another way also we can write in Python, that I'll explain. When multiple conditions, if you want to check multiple conditions, then simply we can say that it is logical operator. So suppose check the number is 2-digit number or not. 2-digit numbers from 10 to 99. So easily you can write the number is greater than or equals to 10 and the number is less than or equals to 99. For example, check the character. Character is uppercase alphabet or not. Uppercase alphabet means what? Capital A to capital Z. So greater than or equals to capital A and less than or equals to capital Z. It is in between capital A and capital Z. Then we can say that yes, it is uppercase alphabet. It is uppercase alphabet. If it is a lowercase alphabet, small a to small z, we will write the programs, then you will understand. Now all the if-else programs I am going to write. Two situations are there. If means only one situation. Now if-else means what? Two situations are there. What are the two? First we ask, check the person can vote. Voting is completely based on age. So in input we ask, what is your age? Enter age. That you are converting into integer. Directly I'm writing int of input. Int of input. That is, we are storing into variable called age. And here it is checking if the age is greater than or equals to 18. Yes. Print can vote. Else. Print cannot vote. Print cannot vote. Look at this. Age is suppose 23. Yes, can vote. So either or situation always. If two situations are there, either or, then you can go with the if else. Always, if there are two situations, either or. Multiple examples we'll see. Second one is a number. Check the number is even or not. So we ask enter number. Whatever the number they enter, that we are collecting into variable called n. Here it is. Even means what? That number is divisible by 2 equals to 0. Yes, it is even number. Or it is not even, or simply we can say that odd number. Anything you can use. Anything. Just we are writing even or not. Even or not is the one. Is the second one. Is the second one. Next one is. Now here, just now we have seen. Check 2-digit number or not. Single digit means 0 to 9. 2-digit means 10 to 99. 3 digits means what? 100 to 999. So enter number. Now here, look at this. The number is greater than or equals to 10 and the number is less than or equals to 99. If it is in between 10 and 99, yes, it is 2-digit number. Else not 2-digit number. Else not 2-digit number. Just run. If it is 34, it's a 2-digit number. It's a 2-digit number. That is. Got it. Is the one. This is the one. The next one is check the character is uppercase or not. Uppercase or not simply. See here, integer no need to convert. No need to convert. Just directly input, enter character. Enter character that you are collecting into CH. But characters you should represent with the single quotes. No? If it is in between capital A and capital Z, we can say that yes, it is uppercase. Uppercase alphabet, else not. Not an uppercase alphabet. Not an uppercase alphabet. This is the one. Here, the code is. Here the code is. The 4 programs I explained. All are, look at this, either or case only. If else means what? If there are only 2 situations, either or situation, then we can go with. Okay. Please write the codes. Any 2 codes you please drop in the chat box quick. If else if also I'll explain. So when we go with if else if means when there are multiple chances, more than 2 cases are there, then we can go with the if else if. First we start with a simple one. We start with a simple one. Here, check the shape is triangle, or rectangle or pentagon. or pentagon or other, suppose, or other. Then multiple cases, more than two cases means what here? Triangle is one case, rectangle is one case, okay? Pentagon is one case, one, and other, and other. So we are writing the code like this. First, we need to read the sides because based on sides only, based on the sides, okay, we can check. Enter number of sides, just number of sides, enough, number of sides. If sides is equal to 3, if 3 sides, then we can say that it's a triangle. Look at this, else if means don't write completely else if, ELIF keyword, ELIF, that sides is equals to 4, then it is a rectangle, or we can say that square. Else if the number of sides is equals to 5, then it's a pentagon. Else simply it's a other shape. When more than two situations are there, two situations means what? Two situations means if else. One situation means what? Is a if block, is a if block. Here it is, we are taking. Next one, same story. Suppose here it is a check the number is one digit or two digit or three digit or other digit, or other digit. Just we ask enter number, enter number. Single digits numbers between 0 to 9. If the number greater than 0 and the number less than or equals to 9, simply to say it's a single digit number. Else if the number is greater than or equals to 10, less than or equals to 99, it's a two digit number. If the number is in between 100 and 999, it's a three digit number. It's a three digit number. Then finally, it's a other digit number. It's a other digit number. Here it is. Suppose 234. Look at this. It's a three digit number. It's a three digit number. That's all. Okay. This one also. And you please try this code. Check the character is uppercase alphabet or lowercase alphabet or digit or symbol. This one you just try. Okay. Just take the screenshot of this one. I'll upload the video and I'll share the video. You please practice. Tomorrow, more examples on this and along with this nested if also. Then we can go with the loops concept. Okay. You can leave for today.